Welcome back to the Tool Crib. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process that I use to get the windshields on my truck super clean. Now, generally, this process takes me somewhere between 30 and 40 minutes to complete, depending on how dirty the windshield is, but the results will last for many, many months. Now, when we get done, there's going to be a hydrophobic coating on the windshield that is going to repel rain, sleet, snow, greatly improving visibility when driving through inclement weather or when driving at night. Let's get started. The first step in this process is to do an initial wash of the windshield, and for this I like to use an automotive soap, and the one I'm using today is Mr. Pink from Chemical Guys. It does a really good job of breaking down oils and dirt and grime, insects and stuff of that nature, and I'm going to be pairing that with a microfiber sponge that includes a bug net to really aid in getting that windshield as clean as possible. Now, this is pretty self-explanatory. You just go over it, and I like to go over the windshield a couple of different times during this process so that I can get it as clean as I possibly can through conventional means. For the deep clean process, I like to use Mother's California Gold Clay Bar Kit. Now, this kit comes with 3 separate clay bars, the auto detailer, and microfiber towel. Now, I'm going to forgo using the auto detailer, which is used as a lubricant for this process, and I'm going to switch that out for my own window cleaner, my homemade window cleaner, which consists of 20 ounces of warm water in a spray bottle, 10 drops of Dawn dishwashing detergent, and a tablespoon of white vinegar to use as a lubricant on the windshield. To begin this process, I'm going to rip off about a 1 square inch section of the clay bar and then flatten it out. Then, using the window cleaner as a lubricant, I'm going to spray that onto the windshield in about a 1 square foot section. I like to do this process in blocks of about a square foot across the entirety of the windshield. Then you could take the clay bar and lay it on the glass and begin to glide it across the windshield. As the clay bar works, you're going to feel that it has friction or more friction in certain areas, and that's the clay bar coming in contact with the microscopic particles that are still left on the windshield. As you continue to move the clay bar across the glass, you're going to have a noticeable drop in the friction, and that is the contaminants being drawn into the clay bar as it cleans. This process can be a bit laborious and takes a bit of time, but the results are definitely worth it. And once the clay bar has done its job, I'm going to go back over it with my window cleaner to clean the windshield off completely now. I like to use a microfiber towel that has a waffle weave to it. The tight weave of that type of towel just doesn't leave any lint behind, so I'll use one to clean it off to get the clay residue off, and then I'll use a second one to buff it to a crystal clear shine, and that will prep us for our next step, which is the sealing process. For the sealing process, I'm going to be using Rain-X Original, which is a silicone polymer that's going to adhere to the glass, giving us a hydrophobic coating. Now, to use this, I'm going to take the microfiber towel and fold it over a couple times and then spray the Rain-X directly onto the towel, not onto the windshield itself. Then, using small circular overlapping patterns, I'm going to work the Rain-X into the surface of the windshield across the entirety of the glass. I actually like to do this in 2 complete sections. I like to go over the glass once and then come back after it's dried and go back over it a second time. Now, as the product dries onto the windshield, it's going to leave behind a white haze, and that is completely normal. When we get done, or when you're satisfied with the coverage, you'll go back with another clean microfiber towel this time, and you can sprinkle a little bit of droplets of water onto the windshield and then buff that haze right off the windshield, leaving behind a sealed, crystal clear windshield. Now, Rain-X makes another product that goes directly into your windshield wiper reservoir. This is their washer fluid, and it takes about 4 ounces per gallon, and this will help to extend the life of that coating, of that sealant on your windshield, because every time that you use your windshield wiper reservoir to clean your windows or your windshield, it's going to reapply a small bit of that coating back with every wash. So I like this product too, and it really helps to extend out the life of that coating. This is the process I use to get my windshield super clean, and the results are definitely worth it because the gain that you get in visibility. That's especially true when you're driving through inclement weather or when you're driving at night. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next one.